Hey guys, got my oedro floor mats for my Honda. Hey guys, got my oedro floor mats for my Tesla Model Y. Got them from Amazon. Let's check them out. Now, in the instructions, it says to snap them into the retaining clips, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to remove the carpets down there. Otherwise, the carpets are just going to sit in my garage and it'll be a waste of good carpets. So I'm just going to put them over the existing carpets. I normally do that with any car that I've owned. I don't ever actually snap in any all-weather mats. So I'm going to skip that step. Alright, so these have like a little bit of this Velcro-like stuff here. I don't know, but I guess it sticks to the rug maybe. Okay. Alright, well this one slides right in, so that's...
I got another one.
Okay, I mean that seems like it fits pretty well. Alright, so these look pretty good. What do you think, Charles?
And also, if you know my channel, go check it out. It would be Charles Video Game, and that's my channel. If you like disco, go check it out right now.
Oh, this boy's always plugging his channel. Alright, so it looks like it fits pretty well.
Yeah.
All the grooves fit into all the things there. It's a pretty good fit. It's a nice tight fit. Perfect for little guys dropping popsicles and stuff down there.
That's so funny.
Alright, this driver's mat also looks pretty good. And I like how the edges here are raised so that if you have like a bunch of sand and stuff like that, it probably won't fall out of here and go into the rug. So it keeps everything kind of like... Yeah, this looks like it's going to work out really well. Alright, and this is the passenger side. And looks pretty good. Alright, so guys, I think I'm giving these my seal of approval as good Tesla Model Y mats. Alright?
Yep.
Thank you very much for watching my Tesla videos. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a like. See you on the next video.